بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم فرینڈز، ہسٹری آف پاکستان سیریز کے اس حصے میں ہم مسلم ریلیجیس موومنٹس یا اردو میں مسلم مذہبی تحریکیں اس موضوع کو ڈسکس کریں گے۔ اس کے متعلقہ جو امپارٹنٹ MCQs ہیں ان کو دیکھیں گے۔ ویڈیو شروع کرنے سے پہلے میں آپ سے ریکویسٹ کروں گا کہ اگر آپ کو میری یہ ویڈیو اچھی لگے یا آپ کو اس سے فائدہ پہنچے تو میرے چینل کو ضرور سبسکرائب کیجئے گا۔ آئیے ویڈیو کو شروع کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ کویسچن از when the Muslim Sufis and mystics spread the light of Islam in Bengal? Answer is 13th and 14th centuries. Next question is in which century the Muslim revivalism in Bengal began? Answer is 19th century. Next question, the first half of 19th century witnessed movement in East Bengal. The name of the movement is? Answer is Frizi movement. Haji Shariatullah was founder of which movement? Answer is Frizi movement, started in 1819. Next question, what was the aim of Haji Shariatullah's life? Answer is to reform social evils, to improve the condition of the Muslims, to establish the ideal of Muslims. Haji Shariatullah was born in which year? Answer is 1781. Haji Shariatullah was born in which district? Answer is Faridpur. Haji Shariatullah was born in the village of? Answer is Shamel. When Haji Shariatullah left Faridpur for Makkah? Answer is 1799. In Makkah he received his training from Sheikh Tahir, who was famous scholar of? Answer is Arabia. Haji Shariatullah returned from Makkah in? Answer is 1820. Frizi movement was started as reaction to anti-Muslim policy of the? Answer is British. The Frizi movement emphasized on the performance of? Answer is Faraiz. Haji Shariatullah spent how many years in Makkah? Answer is 20 years. Haji Shariatullah began his Frizi movement in central? Answer is Bengal. The followers of Haji Shariatullah are known as? Answer is Frizis. Who demand from the people to give up non-Islamic customs and practices? Answer is Haji Shariatullah. Which movement was also directed against the oppression of Zemindars? Answer is Frizi. Haji Shariatullah declared the country Darul Harb, where which of the following prayers could not be performed or offered? Answer is Eid and Friday. Next question, when Haji Shariatullah died? Answer is 1840. Haji Shariatullah was succeeded by? Answer is Mohsinuddin Ahmad. Mohsinuddin Ahmad, better known in the history as? Answer is Dudu Mian. Dudu Mian was the dash of Haji Shariatullah. Answer is son. When Dudu Mian was born? Answer is 1819. Who made the Frizi movement of Haji Shariatullah strong and popular? Answer is Dudu Mian. Dudu Mian transferred Frizi movement into which movement? Answer is Guerrilla movement. Dudu Mian declared jihad against whom? Answer is British. When Dudu Mian died in? Answer is 1862. Who was the first student of Darul Uloom Deoband? Answer is Maulana Mahmudul Hasan. Mir Nasr Ali is popularly known as Titu Mir. Titu Mir was an important leader of the Muslim peasant of which province? Answer is Bengal. Titu Mir was born in? Answer is 1782. When Titu Mir went to Makkah to perform Hajj? Answer is 1822. In Makkah, who inspired Titu Mir? Answer is Sayyid Ahmad Shahid. Titu Mir formed a sect known as? Answer is Maulvis. Who sent army to Bengal to crush Titu Mir in 1830? Answer is William Bentinck. Titu Mir died in which year? Answer is 1831. Who was the founder of religio-political movement known as Wahhabism in subcontinent? Answer is Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed was founder of, answer is Tehreek-e-Muhammadiyya. Family of Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed settled down at, answer is Raebareli. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed was born in 1786. In 1812, Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed was entered in the army of, answer is Nawab Amir Khan. Who was disciple of Shah Abdul Aziz? Answer is Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed was greatly inspired by whose preaching? Answer is Shah Waliullah. When Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed took the oath of allegiance at the hand of Shah Abdul Aziz? Answer is 1807. When Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed wrote Sirat-e-Mustaqim? Answer is 1818. What was the main objective before Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed? Answer is establishment of state which was based on religious principles. In the time of Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed, Punjab was ruled by which Sikh ruler? Answer is Ranjit Singh. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed sent a message to which Sikh ruler to embrace Islam? Answer is Ranjit Singh. When Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed began his jihad against Sikhs by challenging the Sikh army at Akora on 21st December, answer is 1826. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed and Ismail Shaheed were martyred in which year? Answer is 1831. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed and Ismail Shaheed were murdered at Balakot. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम्स। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।